Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. Super excited to have spent time with you over the weekend, and I'm looking forward to another week of learning. So let's take a look at what week 3 holds for us. Again, first of all, watch the Welcome to Week 3 video, which will discuss what our learning objectives are for the week and how to progress through each of those items. This week we're going to start out by watching, after you do this video, a guest speaker. We're going to have some cameo guest speakers of the video footage over the next couple of weeks. So there's one called The Difference Between Phonemic Awareness and Phonics. So I'd like you to watch that video after you watch this one, and then go ahead and continue to check off on the checklist so that you can monitor your progress and I can see how the class is progressing as well. After that video, there is a Moodle book available for you on chapters 3 and 4, so please do read the Moodle book for each chapter prior to reading that particular chapter. Again, the books will give you some questions to ponder, things to think about and consider as you navigate through our reading in the text. So that will take us to reading chapters 3 and 4 in the Literacy for the Early Grades book that we have. And then once you finish those readings, there are discussion threads for both chapters. Chapter 3, the initial post is due. Again, take a look at each of those dates. So chapter 3, there is one posting that's due and one reply. And for chapter 4, there is one posting and an optional reply if you would like to. So take a look at the due dates. They're embedded within each of those discussion threads. After posting, there is an additional Moodle book that I want you to take a peek at. In this particular book, there's not necessarily a lot of reading, but there are 3 videos embedded in there that please do view each of those 3 videos to give you more information on this week's topic. And then lastly, there is a weekly handout section. There's about 5 documents in there. You may want to download those and actually add those into your loose leaf binder for our book. What's fantastic about those handouts is there's some great parent resources in there, so you might want to tuck them away and then pull them out when it gets closer to parent-teacher conferences to share with families about different ways about why it's important to read and how we should be reading with our children, or how we can be encouraging writing as well. So take a look at those things and see if there's something that you would like to share either with parents or share widely with staff. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me via Viterbo email. Otherwise, have a great week.